Hey guys, welcome back to another class. Today's going to be an ab focused class, and you can do this after your workout. I definitely encourage you to do this on an empty stomach. The muscles we're going to be focusing on are the rectus abdominis, the serratus anterior, and the oblique. These are all the muscles that hold our spine stable and allow us to function well throughout our whole body. So let's get started on our back. Bring your hands to your thighs and press into your thighs just enough to where you can feel your stomach turn on. Keep the tension there and bring your fingertips by your ears. Curl up and lift your chest. Take your right leg into tabletop and then your left leg into tabletop. And here we're going to do some short little choppy crunches. So the head's going to come down, we're going to lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold the top. Then from here, we're going to do deeper ones 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now the full ones, all the way down and all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release down. You should definitely feel that. I sure as heck do. Hands under your butt cheeks, palms facing down. Take your legs straight up. So now we're going to do the lower abs. Keep your legs super straight. Bring your legs just halfway down. You can lift your head and your shoulders. Bring your legs about 12 inches from the floor, and that's where we're going to go to. If your lower back hurts, don't go that low. Go about right here. Head comes down. Bring the legs up. Lift the hips. Hips come down. Bring the legs 6 inches, 12 inches from the floor, and then back up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and when you do 10, hold the legs 12 inches to hover. Bring the legs apart. Take them together. 1, apart. 2, 3, 4. Try to keep your stomach like really sucking in. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bend your knees, set your hips down. Fingertips by your ears, arch your back like cat-cow. And then move your face to the ceiling and round your back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. I know it burns. 7, 8. Last one. 9. Just kidding. 10. Okay, we're done. All right, roll to the side. Now, come onto your hands and knees. Set your right forearm down, fingers facing across. Step yourself back, turn your toes out, inner left foot's on the floor, outer right foot's on the floor. I'm holding here. Now we're just going to do some lift and lowers. Hips are going to come down, lift all the way up. 10, 9, really getting the outer and inner obliques. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold the top. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go to the other side without coming down. Hand to hip. Stay nice and long through your spine from the crown of the head through the toes. Hips come low and we lift up. 1, 2, 3. Full ranges of motion. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Do not come down. Come up to the hands. And now we're going to just do some mountain climbers. Nice, slow, steady pace. These aren't fun, but they work super well. Get the heart rate up. And they really hit the lower core. We'll just go here for about 10 more seconds. And good job. Okay, last thing, last two things we're gonna do is just a traditional forearm plank, just really burn it out. Step yourself back and we'll hold here for about half a minute or so. And all I want you to really do here is keep your legs straight, keep your shoulders over your elbows, and continue to push your elbows down into the floor and keep your stomach firm. There's really no magic to it. And your butt cheeks are firm. They're not squeezing and they're not butt cheeks relaxed. Lower the knees down, bring yourself all the way down. Last exercise that we're gonna do is for the lower back, because the lower back is also part of the core and part of, you know, keeping just the whole surrounding of the lower back strong. Lift your chest here, palms facing down, and lift the legs. And we're just gonna hold right here for a few breaths. Lift the arms. Very good. Lift into upward dog, or you can stay just down there on the forearms. Just something to stretch out your belly here, like a lazy upward dog. It feels kind of nice. You can rotate the shoulders right to left as long as it doesn't hurt your lower back. You're good. And then release. Now, a few cat-cows just to loosen up the spine. Just going back and forth. And then come back down to your butt cheeks. Reach your arms forward, lower halfway down, and hold here. You feel your stomach turn on so you don't fall all the way down, and we're simply holding in this position. Lower down just a little more. Slowly, slowly lower all the way down. Bring your knees into your chest. Rock a little side to side. Loosen up the lower back. Bring the soles of your feet together. Take your hands to your hips. Close your eyes. Take a couple breaths. Slow and deep. When you really charge up working out like that, you also want to come down nice and slow to get back into the relaxed state, to go back into the day. Having energy but not like this super rigid, stimulated energy. Awesome, guys. Stretch the legs forward, reach your arms over your head. Last stretch right there. And that will do it. Thank you guys for joining. Let me know how you like this video. If you want me to do a lot longer ab workout, put a lot more in there, I can do that for you. It will kill you, but those are just some of the exercises that I like to personally do that help me keep a strong core, not just a core that looks strong, but that is actually strong and helps my back not hurt. So hope you like the video. Subscribe to the channel if you like it. And you want some more content, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys.